Hello friends, today I'm going to make a delicious chicken katsu. Let's see how it's made. Prepare the ingredient first. Have chicken, then powdered pepper, seasoning, bread flour, eggs, and plenty of salt. Season the chicken first with pepper and salt while applause for seasoning. Next, add eggs to the chicken, then flour to the egg, and then add bread to the finish. When all is done, pour some cooking oil and heat it up. Put the chicken katsu in the hot oil and wait till the golden brown. Once a golden brown, leave it up and drain it. Chicken katsu is ready to eat.
Hello everyone, here my plan is to make a brownies cake. Here is flour, 2 eggs, and there is cocoa powder. There is oil and sugar. First, you sieve the flour to separate the grain white. The second step, also sieve the cocoa powders to separate the grain. Mix the two ingredients until evenly distributed. Break the 2 eggs. Add sugar as much as 6 tablespoons. Stir and mix. Stir until evenly like this. Add 8 tablespoons of oil and stir until mixed. If so, mix all the ingredients earlier. Stir until it becomes smooth like this. Pour oil into the pan so it doesn't stick. Put the dough in a baking dish that has been given oil. If it is, put the dough into the streamer and wait a few minutes. If you have left the brownie cake, and the brownie cake is ready to eat.
Hello friends, this time I will make very delicious food to eat anytime. Let's watch the video until it's finished. First of all, prepare the ingredients in oven such as oil, 1 pack of instant fried noodles, 2 chicken eggs, celery, red onion, scallions, and an oak broth. Boil the instant noodles until soft. While waiting, beat the egg and mix it with the sliced red onion and chopped scallions. Add the broth and instant noodle seasoning. If the instant noodle dough is soft, remove it and strain it, then mix it with the beaten egg. Stir everything until evenly distributed, then prepare a frying pan and add the oil to taste. Fry and turn until golden brown. Remove and serve with sauce. Egg martabak is ready to be served. Thanks for watching guys, hopefully it's useful, bye bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, in this video I will make a soft balado. Ingredients: sweet potato, royco, balado. making process. Heat the oil.
Then put the sweet potato in the nut.
Then dry fry.
Turn off the stove and light. Put the sweet potato in the container. Enter the balado and raiko.
Shake it evenly.